Hey guys, my computer got an unexpected upgrade. RAM. I had bought in some RAM for my Dell Dimension. Here it is. And my Dell Dimension only accepts PC 100. And when I bought that RAM, I actually bought PC 133. So I thought about it. I could have just put it in the HP. So I did. And here's the original RAM from the HP. There's Crucial on it, Crucial memory, Crucial technology. And how I did it was, this whole part right here, this gray part, actually comes out. To do that, you go inside, and you actually have to get these two a little bit out, and then screw the latch, pull the latch out. This comes out, take out, and the RAM is like located right here. Then I got the RAM out, put the new RAM inside, screw everything back, push this back, and it recognized the RAM. I upgraded to 512 megabytes of RAM. So let's boot this thing up. It does take longer to boot because it has to read or recognize all the RAM that's installed. As you can see it doing. I know I don't have, in the BIOS it does not say fast boot or anything like that. It's just like this. I can't change that. And well, I did see an increase in performance, but not that much because I don't really run big programs. So yeah. Let's boot into XP. Okay, my Dell Dimension, it only has 192 megabytes of RAM, and I have Windows XP on it. But that's very little, and it really lags in performance. And hold on. I'm just going to show you performance and, well, you know. Oh, I also found a better media player and playing back video files better than Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player, I have to go at 800 by 600 resolution in order for the videos to play good. But if I go any higher than that, it lags. Now, with this new media player I got, I can go to the highest it can go 1024 by 768, and it can play the videos good, like really good. Here, I'll show you. Hold on. Here we have free free RAM XP Pro, 512 megabytes installed, RAM free, 375 MB. Alright, let's show you what I'm talking about. Now look. Oops. Look, it plays it lagging. This is the same video I showed last time. Well, you know what? Let me put another video. Oh, look, my mouse is messing up. Oh, good. Okay, let me show you another video. Or no, I'll just show you this one. Sorry guys for changing videos. Look, I'll show you what I mean. You see? No, I was using 100% on my CPU. Now I put full screen. It still does that stupid mark with the mouse. Now look when I use this new program called or media player Jet Audio. Here we go. I don't get no marks on my mouse. Plays it full speed. It only, let's say, half CPU usage, and that's good. Really good.
Vacation's useless, these white pills are kind. I've been on a thought on this 13-hour drive.
Alright guys. I guess that's all. Okay, I might have something else to do. No, that's it. Well, I recommend you getting this media player called Co1 Media Center Jet Audio. I got the basic one, so. Or later on I might get the full one, I don't know. Alright. Later guys. Okay.